Good afternoon children, welcome back to the class. In previous class we have learned about animals and plants. They have sense organs. Animals can prepare their own food. Plants can prepare their own food. Animals depend upon plants and animals. So now we'll go back to the class. All of you open the books children. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. So animals reproduce by laying eggs. See, suppose if you take hen, how it reproduces? It lays eggs. How it reproduces? It lays eggs. Okay children? If you take hen, it lays eggs. Okay children, if you take dog, it gives birth. It gives birth. So in this way, some animals lays eggs, some animals gives birth to their children. Some animals like snakes and birds lays eggs. Babies hatch from these eggs. So babies hatch from these eggs. Okay, some animals like cats, cows give birth to their young ones. Cows, cats, like these animals give birth to their young ones. Okay children? Most plants produce seeds. Okay? How they will produce? See the picture children? How they will produce? They will produce seeds. Many plants produces from seeds. These seeds give rise to new plants. They will be giving rise to new plants. In some cases, new plants can go from a part of the part like stem, roots or leaves. Some plants will be going from seeds and some plants will be going from roots. Some plants will be going from roots. Okay children? They will be growing from roots. Some plants will be growing from seeds. Okay? They will be growing from seeds. Like this. Okay children? They will be growing from seeds and some plants will be growing from roots. Okay? And in some cases, new plants can go from a part of a plant like stem, roots or leaves. Some will be growing from seeds. Some will be growing from part of a stem, roots. Okay, like that. So animals will reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to their babies. How plants reproduce? Plants will be growing from seeds or from parts of a stem or roots. Okay children? Like this. Animals and plants depend on each other. How they will be depending upon? Animals and plants will be depending upon each other. In before class only I have told you. Animals will be depending upon plants. Cows, buffaloes will be grazing on the fields. Is it not? In that way, some animals will be depending upon plants and some other animals will be depending upon other animals like tiger, lion will be depending upon other animals. Okay children, like that. Animals and plants depend on each other. They both will be depending upon each other. Though animals and plants are different from each other, they depend on each other to live. If there are just enough plants, just enough plant-eating animals and just enough flesh-eating animals in the world, there are enough plants, just enough plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals. What are plant-eating animals? Plant-eating animals. Say children. Plant-eating animals. Cows, buffaloes, sheep. Okay children, these all are plant eating animals. What are flesh eating animals? What are flesh eating animals? Lion, tiger, deer. Okay, these all are flesh eating animals. Okay, what are they? These all are flesh eating animals. There is a balance in the nature when there are two animals of a kind such as tiger. This balance gets disturbed. Okay, we are having plant eating animals as well as flesh eating animals. When we cut down too many trees without planting new ones, then also this balance gets disturbed. How we will get a new plant? We'll be cutting down the new. We'll cutting down what we'll cut to plant a new tree. We'll be chopping out the leaves. Okay, we'll cut down the branches to form a new leaves. So we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees. What we'll do? We should also grow more trees to protect tigers. Okay children, these all are the plant eating animals, whereas flesh eating animals. Okay, come back to the lesson children. What we have learned in the animals and plants, what we have learned, the lessons, what we have learned in animals and plants children. Animals and plants both are living and non-living things. Animals roam from one place to another place in search of food. But plants are in one place only. They will be fixed in a place. But animals go in search of food. Animals depend on plants. So they depend on plants and other animals. But plants prepare their own food. How do plants prepare their own food? They prepare their own food by how? Sunlight. They prepare their own food by, I told in the previous class, how they prepare their own food? By air, water and sunlight. How they prepare their own food? They prepare their own food by air, water and sunlight. But animals depend on the plants and other animals. So they go in search of food from one place to another. In the same way, animals have sense organs. What they have? Sense organs. But plants do not have. Animals have sense organs like humans. They can feel, they can touch, they can smell, they can taste, they can hear. So, they have sense organs, but plants do not have sense organs. Okay? And also animals reproduce by laying eggs. And some animals gives birth to their little babies. Okay? But plants reproduce by seeds and some plants from parts of its stem, roots and leaves. Okay children? And coming to next part is some animals and plants depend on both of them. So mainly animals depend on plants. So plants eating animals. What are plants eating animals? Cows, buffaloes, sheep. And what are flesh eating animals? Like lion, tiger and bear. In this way, animals depends upon the plants. And how plants depends upon animals? In this way, the plants are depending upon animals. In the same way, some plants to grow more, the plants are cut away, are chopped into, the leaves are chopped into to grow new plants. To grow into new plants. This is useful for the wild animals like tiger. Okay children, hope you understood this session. Go through the lesson and I will be in the next session for hard words. Thank you all. See children, keywords. Repeat after me, all of you. Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. Okay children. Next. Green plants. Green plants. G-R-E-E-N. Green. P-L-A-N-T-S. Green plants. G-R-E-E-N. Green. P-L-A-N-T-S. Green plants. G-R-E-E-N. Green. P-L-A-N-T-S. Green plants. See the next one. Moulds. M-O-U-L-D-S. Moulds. M-O-U-L-D-S. Moulds. Sorry. M-O-U-L-D-S. Moulds. See the next word children. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. I think all of you know mushrooms. No? M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Mushrooms. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Mushrooms. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M-S. Mushrooms. See the next word children. Rotting. Rotting. R-O-T-T-I-N-G. R-O-T-T-I-N-G. Rotting. R-O-T-T-I-N-G. Rotting. Okay children. Next. Gorillas. Gorillas. G-O-R-I-L-L-A-S. Gorillas. G-O-R-I-L-L-A-S. Gorillas. G-O-R-I-L-L-A-S. Gorillas. Next word. Breathe. Breathe. I think you know breathing. That is called breathing. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Okay children. Gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. Fish breathe through gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. Air holes. A-I-R-H-O-L-E-S. Air holes. A-I-R-H-O-L-E-S. Air holes. A-I-R-H-O-L-E-S. Air holes. Small insects like ant will breathe through air holes. Okay. Next. Tiny pores. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. P-O-R-E-S. Tiny pores. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. P-O-R-E-S. Tiny pores. Okay children. Tiny. T-I-N-Y. Tiny. P-O-R-E-S. Tiny pores. See the next one. Reproduce. Reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Reproduce. Next. Hatch. H-A-T-C-H. H-A-T-C-H. Hatch. H-A-T-C-H. Hatch. H-A-T-C-H. Hatch. H-A-T-C-H. lion, tiger, say bear. These all are called as flesh-eating animals. F-L-E-S-H, flesh, E-A-T-I-N-G, flesh-eating. F-L-E-S-H, flesh, E-A-T-I-N-G, flesh-eating. F-L-E-S-H, flesh, E-A-T-I-N-G, flesh-eating. Next, disturbed. Disturbed. D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D. Disturbed. D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D. Disturbed. D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D. Disturbed. Next, protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect. See children, all of you write the keywords in your book 2 times and say the oral by yourself. Okay? I think you have enjoyed your session, children. Bye. Thank you all.